Hi everyone, it's Maxine, Kaye, and Yoga from the Greater Philadelphia Center for Spiritual Living. And we're here with another love note for you today. You know, Reverend Mike and I have been talking off and on these last few days about the joy of springtime. We're so thrilled, I know we all are, that we have sunshine and beautiful tiny buds beginning to pop on the trees. It's a very heart-opening, mind-lifting time, and we are enjoying it so much. I know we all are. Getting out there as much as possible. Well, we also are having a great time beginning what many of us love to do this time of year, spring cleaning. Whether it's just a little or a lot, every little bit of transformation that we bring into our lives, orderliness, harmony, every little bit of it just makes our lives so much better. Whether it's cleaning up a desk or cleaning out a wallet or a purse or a closet, big or small, just the exercise of looking with a wise eye to, does this need to be there? Would it be better to perhaps put it in a different folder? Would I like to tidy up an area of my house or my car that has been needing it for a while? It's a wonderful feeling, and let's all get into it. And if I find that if I begin to do a little, I want to do some more. And it's a very thrilling feeling, really, to be bringing order and harmony even into small corners of my life. Then, of course, the next question is, what kind of orderliness do we wish to bring into our mental lives? When we start to take a look to see, do I have some cobwebs here in any portion of my subconscious mind where I've been believing a thought too long that really perhaps never was true? Then it might be time to do a little gentle and powerful cleaning up and make room. Just like we're making room in our cupboards or our closets, we can make room for new, healthier ideas. The same with our emotions as we look to see, am I harboring a resentment? Am I focusing my attention too much on what does not feel good instead of what I choose to bring into my life experience? That's spring cleaning too. So Spirit has a wonderful way of working with us once we set our intention to clean anything up, external or internal, because Spirit is basically harmony and order. It's been said that order is heaven's first law. And we know that heaven is that which is forever and ever expanding. How can we move into an expanded way of thinking, feeling, and living if we're not allowing ourselves to move out of constriction and limitation? Hey, it's just that simple, isn't it? Come to think of it, I'd like to do some more of that today. So that's my main message for you today. Yoga stays pretty tidy. Yes, she does. She doesn't put her toys away. We help her with that. But she does like to have things in good order. She likes to eat at the same time or whenever we get around to it. She's flexible too. That's the thing about cleaning things out. That is the thing about bringing order into our lives, is that at the same time, we wish to have a sense of flexibility so that we don't get our knickers in a knot if everything isn't exactly in the right place every time we go to look for it. Let's just be flexible. Let's have a little gentleness in our intention to have things fresh and new. Because it's like there's a huge spirit broom that just wants to sweep everything clean. And once we set our intention, it's going to help us to do that. Try it with me. Oh, I think you're far ahead of me. I'm sure you have already cleaned up your yard and your patio and your closets and your purses and your wallets. And if not, let's all do it together, shall we? Reverend Mike will be with you tomorrow for another love note. Sunday, we have our regular live stream. We're still doing live streaming for now. and that will be at 10:30 Eastern Daylight Time. Reverend Mike and I go down to meet our tiny production crew, tiny but mighty production crew, and we present to you live at 10:30. And if you can't make it at that time, it's okay. You can come anytime and catch up, because everything is archived there, including our love notes. So that could be a good thing to do. And while you're on the website, which is cslphilly.org, look to see what else we have that's going on. We have beautiful classes coming up, brand new ones all the time. Check to see. Join us if you would like to. It's wonderful. We have an opportunity to continue to learn and to grow and to apply the beautiful practices and principles of spiritual mind treatment and our principle into our lives. That's what Science of Mind is about. It's about lifting our consciousness, setting our clear intentions, and inviting a new, beautiful, fresh idea of springtime to come forward. On that website also, you'll have an opportunity to continue making the beautiful contributions that you are. Thank you so much. And the time is coming, before we know it, where we'll be meeting again in person. Looking forward to that. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in. We love you. You're important. Bye for now.